5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. We have considered the submission of the learned counsel for the parties and have pursued the records. Full stop. Para. Section 319 CRPC provides that where, comma, in the course of any inquiry into, comma, or trial of, comma, an offense, comma, it appears from the evidence that any person not being the accused has committed any offense for which such person could be tried together with the accused, comma, the court may proceed against such person for the offense which he appears to have committed. Full stop. The court, comma, thus, comma, during the trial on the basis of any evidence is fully empowered to proceed against any person, comma, whose name was not even included in the FIR or R, the charge sheet. Full stop. The parameters of exercise of power under section 319 CRPC has been explained by this court time and again. Full stop. It is sufficient to refer to Constitution bench judgment in Hardeep Singh open bracket Supra close bracket open bracket AIR 2014 SC 1400 close bracket, where this court had considered the following issue amongst other double inverted comma 6.4 open bracket fourth close bracket. What is the nature of the satisfaction required to invoke the power under section 319 CRPC to arraign an accused, question mark, whether the power under section 319 subsection 1. CRPC can be exercised only if the court is satisfied that the accused summoned will in all likelihood be convicted, question mark, double unit comma close para. The constitution bench judgment in the above judgment has held that under section 319 CRPC, court can proceed against any person, who is not an accused in a case before it, full stop. The constitution bench, however, has held that the person against whom the court decides to proceed, double unit, has to be a person whose complicity may be indicated and connected with the commission of the offense, double unit, close, full stop, para. Answering the issue number, open bracket, fourth, close bracket, as noticed above, in paragraph numbers 105 and 106 of the judgment, following was laid down by the constitution bench, para, double unit, 105, full stop. Power under section 319 CRPC is a discretionary and an extraordinary power, full stop. It is to be exercised sparingly and only in those cases where the circumstances of the case so warrant, full stop. It is not to be exercised because the magistrate or the section judge is of the opinion that some other person may also be guilty of committing that offense, full stop, only where strong and cogent evidence occurs against a person from the evidence led before the court that such power should be exercised and not in a casual and cavalier manner. Full stop. Stop.